Hey guys, welcome back to my dino garden. I hope you enjoyed my last video. If you haven't seen that yet, make sure you look down at the description below. If you don't know what that means, then just search up Lucky Dip Slime Challenge. Okay, you can do that now and watch it, but if you have already watched it, then let's get on with this activity. So for today's activity, we're going to be doing a sizzle lamp. You might not know what that is. I'm going to show you. And a lava lamp. Everybody knows what that is. Okay, now let's go. Okay, I'm feeling very confident today. So I want to see if you can like this video before I can say hashtag Dinoman loves cookies. Okay, you ready? Hashtag Dinoman loves cookies. If you could do it, just write down in the comments, hashtag Dinoman did it. You can add a yay if you want. But I know you're waiting for me to get on to showing you how to do these two things. So let's go. Okay, so first we're doing the sizzle lamp. So we won't need this. I'm not going to heat it. Okay. First, we're gonna need vegetable oil. We're gonna need some water as well, some baking powder, or some baking soda, whatever you would like to call it, and some colorant that is right back there. So let's get on with it. I'll put the water in. So I'm pouring the water in right now. I will need a second cup of water down here. And I'll need a bit more water. I've got the water in. Now let's add the oils. You don't need to add some baby oil if you don't have some. I know I used to get really frustrated because I didn't have baby oil, because most videos use baby oil. So you don't need to use this, but I used it the first time that I tried to make this. So I pretty much invented it because I was trying to make a lava lamp and I ended up making a sizzle lamp. Okay. Well, I didn't exactly invent it. I don't know if there are different recipes for the exact same thing, but I'm just using this recipe that I don't know about. Pretty much I just kind of figured it out or something. Okay, we've got this. If you want, it's optional. You can add glitter. You don't have to. And if you don't want to, and you're terrified of glitter or some sort of problem or something, yeah, you don't need to add glitter because I'm not adding glitter. But last time I made it, I added glitter and it still looked pretty cool. So I'm making this one blue. Oh gosh, that's a lot of blue. Dropping it in. Now I will need my spoon. No, it's away from my hand. I'm blue. Okay, now I'll get my spoon and mix. Bam. Blue, and will this wash off? Okay, blue. Okay, so we've cleared up the mess, and this turned out pretty cool, and we haven't even made the main thing. So, we won't need, well, what I meant by the main thing is that we need some salt and some baking soda. I'm just going to add a little bit of salt in. Kind of making a lava lamp, pretty much using the exact same things, but not exactly. I'm adding the baking soda. So we don't need that much salt, or you can have no salt at all if you want. Now, the main thing that makes it sizzle, the baking powder. Just get it in there and let it drop and let it sizzle. And you're wondering how this will turn out to be sizzling, but I'm going to show you. Look how many bubbles are rising up. And if you can't see, this is actually rising. So we need to put the lid on and shake it. And then we'll add a bit more baking powder because we need it to be totally sizzling. But the sizzle has begun. And how is this exactly a lamp? Well, I don't have any glow-in-the-dark color or something or anything. So this is what I do. I just put it behind a lamp and it's a lamp. Or if you want to, you can add some glow-in-the-dark stuff. Like some glow-in-the-dark paint or stuff like that. And my sizzle lamp is done. Oh my gosh. Told you it would rise. Can you hear that? This is so weird. But, okay. Let's move on to this. The lava lamp. So, I'm kind of scared because I couldn't find the bicarbonate of soda. So, I have to use this and it might turn out the same as this. But, it might not, because I am not using the baby oil. I am using normal. Okay, now let's fill it up. Filled it up. Now, take the lid off. Obviously, you need to do that to put oil in, and pour the oil in. Exactly like this. Just kidding. There's no exact procedure of how to put oil in. So now we'll move that to the side. Sprinkle some salt. This is not sinking. It's supposed to sink salt. Okay, we'll just keep sprinkling. Okay. Yep. And the bubbles rise up from the salt. If this does not work with the baking soda, and it just ends up like this, that's already dribbling, just don't add the baking soda. And it's just a normal lava lamp and keep adding more and way more salt, because this salt dispenser is very, very bad. Okay, so just keep adding bits and pieces of baking soda. Hopefully it doesn't work as the sizzle. So the baking powder isn't starting to sizzle. Oh yes, it is. It's sizzling. So this wasn't what I expected, but if you do have a better dispenser than this, like salt dispenser, then use more salt. Cause now I just made double two sizzle lamps. Now to add the color, and it's overflowing right now. Nearly. I got it in the bowl. Uh-oh. Okay. Just pour the whole thing in. And okay. Now, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it. Now you learned how to make a sizzle lamp. I don't know, I just named it randomly. And have fun making sizzle lamps and lava lamps. Bye-bye.